Can you zoom?
Yeah.
So this thing is perfectly flush. It's called a butt joint. Sometimes I'll cut that thing 3 or 4 times trying to get it just perfect.
What color do you want to paint the Line Cruiser when we actually get to that point?
I'm kind of going for the red.
Classic red.
Yeah. Whatever you do, you never want to weld this thing when it's not fitting properly. Some guys do lap joints, but I think these are better for corrosion purposes. Lap. That's a killer repair. Nice. You come feel it. Just perfectly flat across there. It's actually a little bit big.
What are you doing now?
I'm just trimming this thing a little bit big in this one spot. Can't get it quite flush. I'm just making it as perfect as I can. Okay. That ought to fit just lovely there. Yeah, perfect. So now we're going to paint the back side of this so it doesn't rust. Here, let me get a piece of cardboard.
Explain what you're doing now.
So now we're going to prime. We're going to paint this thing so the bare steel is not exposed on the backside to water. So we'll put a coat of primer on it. And then we'll put a coat of primer. Just gives the paint something to stick to. And then the top coat is actually what seals the water off. This primer is not impervious to water. So you can get water that soaks through the paint, actually rust underneath the steel. Now I'm going to get some paint. I'll be back in a minute.
I'm just gonna do some stuff with
Yeah,
the car.
Alright, you can start filming, yeah. Oh, you're cool. So now I'm busting this old Bondo out of here. And gonna make sure this fender is nice and straight in here, because this bended metal forms what I'm doing here is I'm just taking and seeing where there's little bends in it, just straightening those out. Making sure it's nice and smooth. And there's no breaks. Funny, I break the Bondo out, and then I'll just go ahead and replace it again when I do the body work. But right now, it's in the way. This is where the main damage got. And there's some dot. It's really a smart move on my part of cutting that bad part of that finger out. So I can really straighten this out. Okay, let's just do a little bit of welding, just hold tight. Half the time I'm just getting up and getting tools and getting stuff ready. So I got the welder set on B, that's second to the lowest setting, and the wire feed, the rate at which the wire comes out, at 3 inches per minute. So you hook your ground lead up, preferably to the part you're working on. This is your gun, and you can see here, see the wire feed out of there? You can see it, Brett?
Yeah.
So what we'll just repair first is this little tiny crack right here. Well, the end of another episode. Remember, classic car restoration at live.com, okay? You see it right there. Give us a buzz if you got a question or need some advice on something. Check you later.